Hi guys, welcome to my Malu coloring channel. Today we are working on DIY bookmarks from my fantastic Mermaid set. I'm going to color it with an acrylic paint. This medium allows me to get a variety of shades and tones by mixing colors on our palette using just a basic paint set kit of 6 or 12 colors. You could have noticed moving splashes in the left upper corner of the screen, and it demonstrates some basic principles of mixing different colors that I'm using for my paintings. I like this combination of purple and pink shades on her hair, but it really needs some detailing. I'm adding thin lines of light pink, purple and yellow to highlight some parts of Mermaid's curls. Also, I love the contrast of yellow and purple, so I chose a bright yellow for the tail and bra. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure you gave it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I really appreciate any comment that you would like to leave. And you can find this mermaid template on my Etsy shop by the link below this video. So I'm using these pretty simple techniques. We take 3 to 5 colors as a base for the hair strands, and then we just need to add a few decorative lines or other elements that you like to highlight some parts. It makes hair look more diverse and beautiful. Okay, my mermaids were colored and even cutted. They are real bookmarks now, ready for my reading. I hope you like them, and I want to believe that you found some tips for your own creative activities in my video. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to make your own experiments with color and different mediums. Stay creative and inspired. See you the next time on this channel. Bye for now.